Triceratops is one of the most iconic and recognizable dinosaurs from the late Cretaceous period, approximately 68 to 66 million years ago. Its name means three-horned face, derived from the Greek tri-three, keres horn, and ops face, and refers to its three prominent horns on its head. This herbivorous dinosaur belongs to the Ceratopsidae family, a group of dinosaurs known for their ornate heads and distinctive bony frills, physical characteristics. Triceratops was a robust quadruped with a strong, muscular body that could reach between 7.9 and 9 meters in length, approximately 3 meters tall at the shoulders, and an estimated weight of 6 to 12 tons, similar to that of a modern elephant. Its body was supported by four thick, powerful legs, with the front ones slightly shorter than the back ones. The most distinctive feature of Triceratops was its large skull, which could measure up to 2.5 meters long, representing approximately one-third of its total body length. This skull had a large bony frill, which was initially thought to serve as a defensive shield against predators such as Tyrannosaurus rex. However, recent studies suggest that it may also have been used in mating displays or for recognition between individuals of the same species. In addition, Triceratops had three well-developed horns, two long horns above the eyes, approximately 1 meter long, and a shorter horn on the nose. These horns probably served both for defense and for confrontations with other members of its species in territorial disputes or mating rituals, diet, and feeding. Triceratops was a herbivore with a sharp beak similar to that of modern parrots, ideal for tearing off tough vegetation. Its battery-shaped teeth were designed to cut and crush fibrous plants, such as ferns, palms, and cycads. Its strong jaw structure is thought to have allowed it to feed on low vegetation, although some studies suggest that it could also have reached higher branches by bending its body or pushing small trees, behavior, and social life. There are debates about whether Triceratops was a solitary or gregarious dinosaur. Some paleontologists believe it lived in groups based on the discovery of fossils in close proximity, suggesting possible herd behavior. Other studies indicate that, unlike other ceratopsians such as Centrosaurus, Triceratops may have led a more solitary life, gathering only at certain times, such as the mating season. As for its defense against predators, Triceratops would have been one of the few dinosaurs capable of facing Tyrannosaurus rex. Its sharp horns and massive size gave it a chance to repel attacks, although there are fossils that show bite marks from T. rex suggesting encounters between the two species. Discovery and fossil findings. The first remains of Triceratops were discovered in 1887 in North America. Specifically in the region of Colorado, USA. Since then, fossils have been found in various places in North America, including Montana, South Dakota, and Wyoming. Its fossils are among the most abundant of any dinosaur from the late Cretaceous, indicating that it was a very successful species in its time. The first remains were described by the famous paleontologist Othniel Charles Marsh in 1889, who initially thought that the bones belonged to an ancient bison. It was later recognized as a new genus of Ceratopsian dinosaur, extinction. The Triceratops was one of the last dinosaurs to inhabit the Earth before the Cretaceous-Paleogene mass extinction event 66 million years ago. Its disappearance is believed to have been directly related to the impact of an asteroid on the current Yucatan Peninsula, which triggered drastic climate changes, massive forest fires, and the alteration of the food chain, cultural and scientific significance. The Triceratops is one of the most popular and recognizable dinosaurs in popular culture, appearing in movies, toys, and books. Its image has been widely used in media such as the Jurassic Park saga, documentaries, and natural history museums around the world. In scientific terms, the study of the Triceratops has allowed us to better understand the diversity of ceratopsian dinosaurs and their evolution. Over the years, there has been debate over whether some similar species, such as Torosaurus, were simply adult Triceratops individuals, leading to further research into the growth and development of these dinosaurs. Conclusion: Triceratops was an impressive dinosaur that dominated its ecosystem in the late Cretaceous. Its distinctive appearance, possible social behavior, and role in the evolutionary history of Ceratopsians make it one of the most fascinating dinosaurs ever discovered. Its legacy lives on in both science and popular culture, keeping it as one of the most beloved and studied dinosaurs in the history of paleontology.